I am sorry for you, baby long peoples. I'm still sorry for you. Um, I know. I skipped everything to me before. I don't know. Now I see everything. I'm not talking too much to everybody. Baby long peoples. I know before. I don't know. Jack. Now I see everything's going about my life. I'm not joking for me. Kill. Yeah. You try to come aside to pretend you love me. It's a liar. I know. You don't come for me to pretend. Say you love me. Later you kill my things. Yeah. Destroyer. You destroy my empire things. I will say the truth for you. Jack. I'm sorry for enemies. I don't care that things going by my life. Don't think say you can lick my life, Jack. I'm there. Jack, I'm in protection. God protect me for enemies. I don't care. If you try, you don't kill my face. Jack, you know be lie. You try to destroy my empire things. I know, I'm sorry. Baby long people, I see everybody. Before I don't know now. Jack, I know. You don't escape me for everything. I will say the truth for you. I no be lie, I no be joking. I'm saying the truth for everybody. Don't cry. If you cry, you can see the things happen to you. I'm crazy for love. Dog. Jack, I see the things. But I'm not talking for everything. Time will stop. Baby long papers. That is the truth. Jack, what is happening? I think say you were good. Anytime I share my secret for you, later you destroy my destiny. You try to kill my vision. It is not. Jack, I have protection for the God. Don't try. My enemies, I'm so sorry for everybody. Baby longs.